Welcome to qnawire.
Let's look at finding the mean, the variance, and the standard deviation of binomial distribution. To find the mean, you do n times p, where n is the number of trials, the number of people in the survey, whatever the value is for the number that you're looking for in your binomial distribution. The variance is n times p times q, where q is 1 minus p. And the standard deviation is the square root of n times p times q, or you might just say that the standard deviation is the square root of the variance. Let's take a look at some examples. If n equals 1,000 and p equals 0.1, the mean would be 1,000 times 0.1, which is 100. The variance would be 1,000 times 0.1 times 0.9, which is 90. And the standard deviation would be the square root of 90, which is about 9.49. Let's try another one. If n equals 500 and the probability is 0.25. The mean would be 500 times 0.25, which would be 125. The variance would be 500 times 0.25 times 0.75, which would be 93.75. And the standard deviation would be the square root of 93.75, which is about 9.68. We're not done yet. Let's try another one. What if n equals 50 and our probability of success is 2/5? This is a fraction. You can keep it as a fraction or you can change it to a decimal. It doesn't matter. So I'm going to keep it as a fraction because that's how it was given to me. The mean would be 50 times 2/5, which is 20. The variance would be 50 times 2/5 times 1 minus 2/5, which would be 3/5. We know that 2/5 plus 3/5 would equal 5/5, so our goal would be to get that to equal 1. So we get 12 here. And the standard deviation would be the square root of 12, which is about 3.46. Let's try one more. If n equals 36 and our probability is 1/6. Our mean is 36 times 1/6, which is 6. Our variance is 36 times 1/6 times 5/6, which equals 5. And our standard deviation would be the square root of 5, which is about 2.24. So it's very important that you remember these formulas, that the mean is n times p, the variance is n times p times q, and the standard deviation is the square root of n times p times q.